too tight. Alright, I'll go back and screw those a little tighter and black them out. There we go. We have pick the camera up and lay all the parts out. We have everything finished. I have one problem I have to go back on. We're still on part 1 of the assembly video. There will be another part 2, or if we've jumped over to a short part 2, then there will be a part 3. But you'll have to give me 2 or 3 days before I can do the final assembly. Finished legs. I'll touch those up and finish them after the video. Resprayed piece here. If you remember how bad the orange peel was before, about 10 times better now. It's good enough to put together, and we'll have it to the point where Crosshairs is at. Crosshairs, which still has a little orange peel in him also. Arms, head, wing I clear coated again, could use one more. It's got a funny line in it. No, that's just the reflection. Oops. Yeah. This part came out pretty good. Of course, this is a very small part. You can see it's the size of the tip of my finger, really. So that's pretty good for a small transformer part. On the model cars, we're going to try to take them even further. Here's the trunk lid that I wet sanded and clear coated 2 more times, but it's still not to the ideal gloss that I want for a model. So that'll get 1 more wet sanding and another clear coat, along with this piece that got an imperfection on it and still has a little bit of orange peel. It came out good for the most part. Again, for a small transformer part, still have some light orange peel in the black area, but a little gnat got in it. See if we can even see that right above the SS. Looks much worse in person. It's not picking up too good. There it is. And then I tried to pick it out right before the clear cured, and I think it took some of the color out with it. So I'm going to wet sand that down, touch it up like I did the little orange spot that got wet sanded through on the model, and re-clear it one more time. I'll do that today, and I'm going to give it a good 2 days to cure before I start handling the parts like I just did the leg parts. Patience, it's a big one. I've heard a lot of you guys say I would love to do some model cars, but I don't have the patience for it. Guess what? I don't have the patience for it either. You know how I do it? I do just a little bit when I feel like it, and I put it to the side. I got all this stuff stored in little Tupperwares and stuff, and I get motivated again and do another part, put it to the side. So that's another reason I have a couple projects going on. Once I get this finished and clear coated, instead of being anxious to put it together, I'm going to forget about it for a while and come over here and work on this model or something else, whatever I got to do in life. My hobby time, when I feel like it, I'll jump to that if I'm motivated. And then when I feel enough time's passed for this, I'll put it together. Alright, here we are. Now, this series won't last much longer. We'll do a few model things and try to run it almost to the end of the year. And 2020 probably won't have any how-to videos on this kind of stuff. So I just wanted to capture it while I was doing it. Try to pass that on. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this helps some of y'all and motivates some of you guys. And don't forget to like, share, leave me a comment. and have a blessed day. I'll be back in 2 or 3 days with the next assembly video, and we should pretty much be done with Bumblebee. Peace.